Peace and blessings, fam. It's your girl, Tees, Braids, Weaves, and Wigs, back with another video. And yes, I am servicing Northern California. So please hit that save button, subscribe, and share to all your family and friends. Alopecia, hair loss. It will not win. I am here to help, and my ultimate goal is to help as many hair loss alopecia clients as I can. Hair loss can be caused by many different things. Stress is at the top of the list. Stress, hereditary, and chemicals all can cause hair loss. But no need to worry, ladies, because I can help. Here, my client has been experiencing hair loss in the front and around her edges for quite some time now. So I am going to do a braid pattern that I think is most healthy for her hair and for the style. I am going to use some hair growth on her hair for moisturizer, and we are going to be using a lace frontal. Yes, a lace frontal, ladies. I did 8 braids going back, and yes, this is my famous elastic band method. Yes, I love to use this with all my hair loss alopecia clients, all my clients who are experiencing damaged edges, thin edges in the front. Look how this elastic band lays on this frontal. It makes the frontal lay nice and flat. It's secure. It won't move. It won't shift or anything. Yes, I love it. Love it. Look how that frontal is laying. It looks so natural. It blends just perfectly into her scalp, into her forehead. So I cut off the excess lace, and I'm going to begin sewing her tracks in or her wefts in. So if you're interested in how this beautiful style comes out, please continue to watch. I thank you all so much for all the love and support that you are showing me, and I send all that love back. Thank you so much. we are almost completed this style, and I am going to be doing some baby hair. Please don't judge me as I am working on my baby hair. It is not my specialty, but I will get better. So I am going to part her hair on the side because she wants a side part. And yes, look at this completed style. I am loving this beautiful hair. It is a deep wave. It is a natural black color. And she has the ear to ear or the 13x4 frontal in the front. And yes, I am loving this. Look how beautiful it is. Look how beautiful these deep waves are. And it looks so natural in the front. Sorry for the glare. The glare is coming from the mirror. But again, I am loving this style. It came out absolutely beautiful. She loves it. I love it. I am so proud to help all those who have hair loss. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks so much for supporting my channel. And until next time, peace and blessings.